Hi guys, today we're going to install the tempered glass screen protector in our Volvo XC40 for this central display. This thing is available at Ruiya website. I will leave you a link in the description. I'll show you what comes inside the box. First of all, we've got some installation tools which we'll open shortly. We've got well, this is installation basically manual, tells us how to clean the screen first, and of course the screen protector itself. So like I said, it matches our screen, which is great. We'll have to peel this back cover when we install it, but before that we'll have to clean the screen, make sure that it is nice and clean. So I will open this kit. We've got white paper, we've got this towel here, and we've got dust removal sticker. So first what we'll do, we'll use a wet wipe to clean off fingerprints and any dirty spots. So gently clean the screen. It might make sense to wear gloves, but we don't have them right now. So why this kit is important, guys, is because you won't scratch your glass, since it's a touch screen, so you touch it all the time. And if you decide to sell the vehicle, you can simply remove the screen protector and it will still look brand new. After the wet wipe, we'll use this cloth. This one works great, it cleans the screen. Keep using this cloth one until you don't see any more marks on the screen. Now I will peel the protective film from our tempered glass, and we shall apply it to our screen. And look at that, it does not cause any bubbles, just sticks on its own. That's it. Now you guys can scratch this glass as much as you want. I'll check if the touch screen works, and yes, it works. There's no difference whatsoever, it works as fast, and yeah, now our screen is protected. And this is the camera. So yeah guys, I think this is actually a great addition for your vehicle. It's actually quite cheap. So as I said before, I will leave the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.